Enrollment in ampEducator is fast, flexible, and fully controlled. With one click, a prospect becomes a student, carrying their entire history forward automatically. Only authorized staff can enroll students, and enrollment actions can be updated or reversed if needed. Programs in ampEducator are designed to match how schools actually operate. They support rolling enrollment, multiple start dates, intakes, or term-based delivery, all without being locked to a single session. Programs live independently, so you decide when and how they run. Each program defines everything that matters: curriculum, grading scales, attendance rules, academic thresholds, announcements, and enrolled students, keeping academics consistent and centralized. Prerequisites can be enforced automatically, ensuring students meet program requirements before advancing or enrolling. Students can change programs, withdraw, or re-enroll without losing their academic history, giving administrators flexibility without sacrificing data integrity. Built-in program auditing makes it easy to see requirements met versus remaining, while academic and attendance indicators help identify at-risk students early. Tuition and fees can be assigned at the program or course level, with automatic invoicing triggered at enrollment, streamlining financial setup from day one. With ampEducator, enrollment and programs adapt to your institution, not the other way around. Start your free trial today at ampeducator.com.